Turn to page 236 and 237 in your Science Fusion book. Why it matters. Be prepared, planning ahead. How do you prepare for a disaster? You make an emergency plan and prepare your home. You make sure any pets will be safe too. People do many things to prepare for disasters. Buildings are designed to withstand earthquakes. The sides of rivers are built up to prevent floods. News reports let us know about the risk of forest fires. Radio, television, and the internet warn us about storms and other emergencies. Emergency plan can help keep us safe. Families can talk about what to do in an emergency. A list like the one on the next page can help. This list right up here, this emergency list. Referring to the picture here, it's best to prepare for a disaster before it strikes. Keeping supplies in your car can help you be ready. So it looks like they have some supplies in their cars, so then they are ready. The emergency list up above. First aid kit and medicine. Food. Clean water. Protective clothing and bedding or sleeping bags. Radio. Flashlight. Extra batteries. Evacuation guide. Now down below, packing to prepare. What would you put into this tote down below? Now it says draw and label some supplies you would pack for an emergency. Most likely some things up there. So you're going to have to draw a picture and label what they are. Pause the video and do that. When you're done, hit play. Okay, page 238, 239, and 240 are the extended learning pieces for our science. If you want to do them, go right ahead. It is not required.